Welcome to another episode of Math on Location. It is a hot summer day, so there isn't anywhere else we'd rather be than Wild Island. But of course we'll need to do a little math while we're there. So one hot summer morning, a family of 7 decided to go to Wild Island for the day. Oh, by the way, it was a Friday. Here's the family. Well, part of it anyway. Which brings us to our math question. How much did it cost the family for admission to the water park, including 2 single tube rentals? Here are the prices. They even have deals for certain days of the week. So you're probably asking how tall the family members are since height factors into the price. Well, here you go. 3 family members are more than 48 inches tall. 4 family members are less than 48 inches tall. And 1 family member is 2 years old. Let's set up an equation to help us solve this problem. Let's agree on some letters to use for our variables. Let's use A for people 48 inches and taller, K for people shorter than 48 inches, B for children under the age of 3, T for a single tube, and C for the total cost. Now that we have agreed upon variables, let's set up our equation. So C total cost equals $25.50 times the number of people that are 48 inches and taller plus $20.50 times the number of people that are shorter than 48 inches plus $0 times the number of children under the age of 3 plus $3.75 times T, the number of single tube rentals, plus $1.50 times T, the number of tube rentals for our deposit. And then since it's a deposit, we would be able to subtract that out when we return the tubes. So subtract $1.50 times the number of tube rentals. Boy, this problem's getting intense. I say we take a break for a minute and enjoy the lazy river. Okay, back to our problem. First, let's substitute in for our variables. So we have total cost equals $25.50 times 3, because we have 3 people that are 48 inches or taller, plus $20.50 times 3, because we have 3 people or family members that are shorter than 48 inches, plus $0 times 1, because one of the family members is younger than 3 years old, plus $3.75 times 2, because the family's renting 2 single tubes, plus $1.50 for the deposit times 2 for 2 tube rentals. And then we get that deposit back when we turn in the tubes. So subtract $1.50 times 2. So we have our equation. Now we need to simplify. So order of operations tells us to multiply first. So we'll have cost equals $76.50 plus $61.50 plus $0 plus $7.50 plus $3, and then subtract $3. Which gives us a total admission cost plus tube rentals of $145.50. Yikes, that is expensive. How much money would the family have saved if they had gone to Wild Island after 3 p.m. on Friday instead?